If your Kia Sportage is refusing to start, don't panic. Most causes are easy to diagnose with basic tools. Statistically, over 85% of starting issues on modern Kias stem from battery or terminal connection failures. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to pinpoint exactly why your engine isn't turning over. Start with the basics by checking battery voltage and scanning the computer for any stored error codes. Common culprits on the Sportage include a failing starter motor or a faulty crankshaft position sensor. If you have a push-button start, a dead key fob battery, or a bad brake switch often causes a no start. Basic electrical issues are DIY friendly, but mechanical failures like the starter usually require a professional shop. Costs vary significantly, ranging from a simple battery swap to more expensive fuel system repairs. If the basics look good, perform a voltage drop test to ensure power is actually reaching the starter. A simple multimeter and an OBD2 scanner are your best friends when troubleshooting these modern systems. Remember, a loose ground wire can mimic a dead engine, so check your connections before buying parts. Follow these steps to get your Sportage running again, and subscribe for more automotive troubleshooting guides.